An out-of-warranty Audi often means thousands in repair bills, but these 4 2026 models deliver luxury without the financial nightmare. We're also exposing the 3 worst models to avoid, including a flagship sedan that loses over 60% of its value, while our top pick is one of the safest SUVs on the road today. This guide could save you from a multi-thousand-dollar mistake. The worst of the worst. 3 Audis to avoid. Worst number 3. 2025 Audi A6. The Depreciation Trap. Our first car on the avoid list isn't here because of some catastrophic mechanical failure. It's here because of a catastrophic financial one. Meet the 2025 Audi A6, a car with a starting MSRP of $58,100 that becomes a questionable investment the moment you start reading about its replacement. Here's the hard, unchanging truth of the car market. A full redesign changes everything. For the 2026 model year, Audi has launched a completely new, ground-up, fully redesigned A6. It features bold, new styling, a massively updated interior that Audi calls a digital stage, and significant powertrain upgrades that leave the old model in the dust. By all accounts, the new A6 is a monumental leap forward, but this creates a huge and immediate problem for anyone still holding on to or considering the outgoing 2025 A6. That car is now instantly and forever the old model. In the used car world, that's a value wasteland. The depreciation on a 2025 A6 won't be a gentle, predictable slope. It'll be a cliff face. The vast majority of buyers will want the newer generation, leaving the 2025 model to sit on dealer lots, and its owners facing a shocking, painful loss of value. Imagine yourself as a buyer in a few years. You have 2 A6s in front of you. Would you pick the one with the old body style, the outdated interior, and the less impressive 261 horsepower base engine? Or would you spend just a little more for the fully modern 2026 version, with a standard 362 horsepower V6? The answer is obvious, and that universal logic is what will absolutely crush the resale value of the 2025 A6. It's a classic, textbook case of bad timing. While the car itself is competent and a pleasure to drive, buying a model in its final year, right before a major overhaul, is one of the fastest ways to lose money on a new vehicle. You're effectively paying a premium for a car that's already yesterday's news. If you have your heart set on an A6, the only financially sound play is to choose the new 2026 model. Buying a 2025 A6 today is like buying last year's flagship smartphone at this year's full price. Avoid it at all costs. But financial depreciation isn't the only trap. Up next is Audi's #1 bestseller, and we'll reveal why its popularity hides a risky gamble that could leave you stranded. Worst number 2, 2026 Audi Q5. The popular gamble. This one might be a little controversial, and that's because the Audi Q5 is the brand's best-selling vehicle. You see them everywhere in school pickup lines, in office parking lots, and cruising down the highway. With a starting price of $52,800 or $54,005.95, including the $1,295 destination charge. They look great, they're wonderfully comfortable, and they offer a practical SUV layout. But beneath that popular and stylish skin lies a well-documented history of inconsistent reliability that makes long-term ownership a nerve-wracking gamble. The core issue with the Q5 isn't that every single one is a lemon destined to fail. The problem is the persistent pattern of spotty reliability that has been reported by owners and publications over many years. Data from respected sources like Consumer Reports has frequently shown the Q5 with below-average reliability scores. One widely read Audi forum thread even highlighted a report that placed the Q5 near the very bottom of its class for dependability, shocking many of its fans. One enthusiast on that forum summed up the ownership dilemma perfectly. It's the best driving, most comfortable, best performing SUV I've owned, but it's going to break. It's too complex not to. He goes on to add that from a practical, money-conscious perspective, the Q5 just isn't the best choice due to its expensive maintenance and below-average resale value. That sentiment captures the essence of the Q5 experience. Even though the 268 horsepower turbocharged 2-liter engine paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission is a solid performer. The history of electrical gremlins, low-speed transmission, lurching from the dual-clutch unit, and excessive oil consumption across multiple model generations is too well documented to ignore. While you might get a great one with no problems, you could also get the one that brings you nothing but headaches and trips to the dealer. For a vehicle that's supposed to be a dependable, worry-free family hauler, that level of uncertainty is a major red flag. But while the Q5 is a gamble, our #1 worst Audi is a guaranteed financial disaster. Stick around to see the flagship sedan that loses almost $1,000 a month to depreciation. Worst number 1, 2026 Audi A8, the money pit. Topping our worst list is Audi's flagship sedan, the magnificent A8. This car represents the absolute peak of Audi's luxury, technology, and craftsmanship, with a starting MSRP of $96,395. Base price $95,100, plus a $1,295 destination charge for the long wheelbase model. It's also the single fastest way to vaporize your money in the entire Audi lineup, thanks to one brutal, unforgiving word: depreciation. The Audi A8 suffers from absolutely catastrophic depreciation. It's not just bad, it's among the worst in the entire automotive industry. One analysis projects a loss of 48.4% in the first 3 years alone. Another study calculates that the A8L variant will lose nearly 62.7% of its value in just 5 years. Let that sink in. A car that cost nearly $92,000 when new could have a resale value of just $34,411 after only 60 months. That's a loss of almost $1,000 per month. Why is it so bad? It's a perfect storm of financial pain. First, the entire ultra-luxury sedan market is notoriously tough on resale value. These cars are packed with incredibly complex and bespoke technology, like adaptive air suspension, advanced infotainment systems, and intricate electronics that are eye-wateringly expensive to diagnose and fix once the 4-year/50,000-mile factory warranty runs out. Second, the A8's design, while handsome and stately, has often been criticized for being too conservative and understated. It simply doesn't have the iconic, commanding presence of a Mercedes-Benz S-Class, which tends to hold its value slightly better as a result. For the person buying it new, the A8 is a financial disaster waiting to happen. You're paying a massive premium for a car powered by a turbocharged 3-liter, 335 horsepower V6 with a 48-volt mild hybrid system that will be worth less than half its original price in just a few short years. For the second or third owner, it's a ticking time bomb of potential repair costs. The temptation of owning a used flagship sedan for the price of a new Honda Accord is strong, but a potential $5,000 repair bill for an air suspension failure is always lurking just around the corner. The A8 is a car to lease, enjoy while it's fully covered under warranty, and then hand back before the real financial pain inevitably starts. For anyone trying to make a smart vehicle purchase, the Audi A8 is the #1 model to avoid. All right, enough of the warnings and financial horror stories. Let's talk about the bright side of the showroom floor. It's time to dive into the 4 best Audis you can buy in 2026. The cars that successfully blend performance, luxury, and that all-important peace of mind. The best of the best. 4 Audis to buy. Best number 4. 2026 Audi Q4 e-tron. The refined EV. Kicking off our best of list is Audi's most compelling and well-rounded all-electric offering, the Q4 e-tron. In a world still filled with first-generation EV gambles and beta testing on public roads, the Q4 e-tron, with a starting price of $51,895, stands out as a mature, polished, and refined choice. While some electric vehicles are plagued by frustrating software bugs, questionable build quality, and odd design choices, the Q4 e-tron feels like a premium product from a company that's been building world-class luxury cars for over a century. Because it is. As one review aptly puts it, the Q4 e-tron is a useful family SUV that just happens to be electric. Its biggest strengths are found in the expert execution of the fundamentals. The ride is exceptionally smooth and serenely quiet, absorbing bumps and road imperfections with a composure many of its rivals simply can't match. The interior is another major highlight, showcasing the solid build quality and tech-forward design language that Audi is famous for. It features a large 11.6-inch touchscreen that is thoughtfully angled toward the driver for better visibility, and thankfully, it retains physical buttons for the climate control, a simple, user-friendly touch that many modern cars get wrong. It's an experience that feels thoroughly modern without being frustrating. Long-term reliability data is still emerging for this relatively new platform, and some user forums mention the occasional infotainment glitch. However, for the buyer who wants to transition into an electric vehicle with a choice between a 282 horsepower rear-wheel drive model with up to 288 miles of EPA-rated range, or a 335 horsepower all-wheel drive version with up to 258 miles of range, the Q4 e-tron is an intelligent choice. It prioritizes a serene ride and a high-quality cabin, making it a deeply satisfying electric vehicle. But if you aren't ready to go all electric, our next pick takes one of Audi's most beloved models, the A4 and transforms it into something far more stylish and surprisingly practical. Best number 3. 2026 Audi A5. The Reborn A4. For decades, the Audi A4 has been the default go-to choice for anyone wanting a compact German luxury sedan. For 2026, the A4 as we knew it is gone, but its spirit lives on in a smarter, more stylish, and significantly more practical package. The all-new Audi A5, starting at an MSRP of $51,495. As part of a new naming strategy, Audi has designated that its combustion engine models will carry odd numbers, and the successor to the beloved A4 sedan is now called the A5. But this is so much more than just a name change. Though officially badged as a sedan in the US market, the new A5 features a gracefully sloping roofline that ends in a large rear hatch instead of a traditional trunk, a design that draws heavy inspiration from the old A5 Sportback, which was discontinued to make way for this new model. This single design change makes the car massively more practical, giving it a versatile 22.6 cubic feet of cargo space, with the rear seats folded, far more than its predecessor and rivals, like the BMW 3 Series or Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Under the skin, the new A5 is built on a proven foundation of solid reliability. The A4, it replaces consistently earned respectable, if not chart-topping, reliability ratings from various sources. The 2026 A5 carries that torch forward, arriving with a proven 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing a healthy 268 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. The interior is a complete and stunning overhaul, featuring Audi's brilliant 11.9-inch virtual cockpit, flowing into a new, crisp 14.5-inch touchscreen, housed within a sweeping curved display, and front passengers even get their own dedicated 10.9-inch screen, all wrapped in genuinely premium materials. It's a cabin that feels both high-tech and truly upscale. The A5 has taken everything that made the A4 great and improved upon it, adding a heavy dose of sophisticated style and a huge helping of everyday utility. For the best all-around luxury sedan from Audi in 2026, the new A5 is a clear and compelling winner. The A5 is a brilliant redesign, but our next car is a true game-changer. Coming up, we'll show you how a model on our worst list becomes one of the absolute best thanks to a stunning overhaul and one massive standard engine upgrade. Best number 2. 2026 Audi Q7, the family fortress. For the discerning family buyer, our number 2 pick is the 3-row 2026 Audi Q7, a vehicle that masterfully combines space, luxury, and most importantly, class-leading safety. With a starting price of approximately $62,000, around $63,300 with destination charges, it stands as a fortress of reassurance for those carrying precious cargo. The Q7's crowning achievement is its phenomenal safety record. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, awarded the 2025-26 model its highest honor, the Top Safety Pick Plus Award. This accolade was earned under newly toughened criteria that place a greater emphasis on protecting rear seat passengers during the moderate overlap front collision test, a change that reduced the total number of qualifying vehicles by 32% compared to the prior year, and a test where many rivals struggled. Notably, Audi stands as the only European luxury brand in the large SUV category to earn this top honor under the IIHS's stricter 2025 standards, making the Q7 one of the safest large SUVs you can put your family in. Beyond safety, the Q7 delivers a true luxury experience. While a capable 261 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder is standard, the optional 335 horsepower turbocharged V6 is the engine of choice, offering effortless acceleration and an impressive 7,700 pound towing capacity. When properly equipped, worth noting that the standard 4-cylinder is rated at a lower 4,400 pounds of towing. Despite its size, the Q7 is lauded for its surprisingly nimble, sedan-like handling. For 2026, adaptive air suspension is newly standard on the Premium Plus trim and remains available across other configurations. The cabin is hushed, beautifully crafted with high-quality materials, and features Audi's tech forward triple-screen setup, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10.1-inch upper MMI touchscreen, and an 8.6-inch lower MMI touchscreen, while reliability ratings including a 2.5 out of 5 from RepairPal, placing it 14th out of 20 among luxury full-size SUVs, give some buyers pause. The Q7's proven top-tier safety engineering offers a more critical form of peace of mind for family buyers. But while the Q7 offers maximum space and safety, it comes with a premium price tag. Our number one pick proves that the smartest buy delivers that same commitment to safety and quality in a more compact and affordable package. Best number 1, 2026 Audi Q3, the smart choice. And finally, we arrive at the number 1 best Audi to buy in 2026. It may not be the flashiest, the fastest, or the most expensive, but with a base MSRP of $43,700 or $44,995 including destination and delivery, it is unequivocally the smartest, most sensible choice in the entire lineup, the Audi Q3. The Q3 earns its top spot through a masterful combination of practical design and outstanding proven safety. For 2026, the Q3 is getting a significant update, with a redesigned look and a welcome power boost from its robust, re-engineered turbocharged 2-liter engine, which now produces 255 horsepower. Where the Q3 has traditionally pulled ahead is in the critical area of safety. It is important to note, however, that because the 2026 Q3 is a complete redesign, long-term reliability data for this specific generation is not yet available. Consumer Reports predicts the 2026 Q3 will have about average reliability based on prior years, and prospective buyers should be aware that in the 2025 J.D. Power Initial Quality Study, Audi, as a brand, ranked last among all automakers. For reference, the outgoing 2025 Audi Q3 did carry a predicted J.D. Power reliability score of 86 out of 100, categorized as great on J.D. Power's scale, but that data applies to the previous generation, not this fully redesigned model. On the safety side, the story is genuinely impressive. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, recently introduced a tough new head restraint and seat evaluation, a whiplash and rear impact test, designed to assess how well a vehicle protects occupants in rear-end collisions. The 2025 Audi Q3 was one of only 4 small SUVs to earn the top rating of good in this test, alongside the Hyundai Ioniq 5, the Subaru Forester, and the Toyota RAV4. That result speaks volumes about the quality of its engineering and the effectiveness of its safety systems. Its compact size makes it a breeze to park and maneuver in tight city streets, yet the interior is cleverly and thoughtfully designed to maximize space, comfort, and utility. Unlike some of its German rivals that can feel a bit cold and sterile, the Q3's cabin feels warm and premium, with high-quality materials and Audi's new MMI interface, featuring a 12.8-inch touchscreen and an 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster. It's a cabin that genuinely feels more expensive than its price tag suggests. The Q3 is a strong overall package. It's stylish, genuinely safe, reasonably priced, and built on an updated platform with compelling standard equipment. It cleverly avoids the overly complex and potentially failure-prone systems of its larger, more expensive siblings, while still delivering a true, undiluted luxury experience. For its blend of safety performance, modern technology, and everyday usability, the 2026 Audi Q3 is our number 1 pick and the most highly recommended Audi you can buy. What do you think? Do you own one of these Audis? Let us know your experience in the comments below. We read every single one, and your real-world stories and feedback help the entire community make smarter decisions. And if this guide helped you out, do us a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the cars you're actually thinking about buying. Thanks for watching.